Greetings GBS 151 students. This video will help you get started searching the GBS 151 Current Events Guide for your current events assignment. At the top of the guide, there is a brief introduction about what you will find here and how to search. In the center, you will find a search example, and then at the very bottom, you will find links into individual publications where you can locate current event articles. Let's go ahead and start with a search in the Arizona Republic. So we're going to click on that first link there, and this is going to bring you into the beginning search page. At the top, you'll see that it is already narrowed down to the last 3 years. What you'll want to do is type in your keyword into the search box at the top. And then go ahead and click on the magnifying glass. This will narrow down your results to just your keyword here from the past 3 years. As you can see, there are 1,704 different articles. Let's go ahead and go into the first one here. So we will click on the title link. Our article will come up. At the very top here, you will have a listen button. You can click on that and the computer will read you the article. In the upper right-hand corner, you have some different tools. You can save this article as a PDF. You can cite it, copy the URL, and also print it. Let's go back to cite. When you click on the cite icon, it will default to APA 6th edition. If you wanted to change that, just click on the drop-down menu and you can select whichever citation format you prefer. Let's go ahead and keep it at APA 6th edition for now. What you can do is you can click on the copy button and you can paste that into a Word document. Like most of our databases, the Arizona Republic database will do the automatic citation for your article. This is very helpful, but we always recommend going back and double checking different parts of it for accuracy. When you are finished with citation, go ahead and click on the Done button and it will close out the citation. So that's going to be how to search within the Arizona Republic database. Now let's go back to our guide. So we just took a look at the Arizona Republic. Let's go into The Economist. The Economist is located in the Gale Academic OneFile database, so the interface is going to look a little bit different. It is already set up to search just in The Economist from the past 3 years. Now what you'll want to do is over here on the right-hand side where it says Search Within, go ahead and click on that button. And then from here, go ahead and type in your keyword. Once you do that, click on Submit. Now, I want to point out one thing before we go into the article. Do not type your keyword into the search box at the top here. If you do that, if we were to have typed in inventory into this box, it would actually search all of the publications within the database, and you don't want that. You want to be searching just The Economist, and that's why you want to go into the search within option here, like we just did. Okay, so from here, you will find your results. Let's go into number 8 here. All right, so when you want to view an article, simply click on the title link. The article will come up for you down here at the bottom. At the top here, you have several different tools. Once again, you have a citation option, you have an email option, download, print, and also an option for the link. Let's go back to the cite option here. So just like the previous example we looked at, this database will also do citation. It's going to default to MLA 7th edition. If you want to change that, simply click on the heading here and we'll click on the APA one, and it will change the citation for you. Go ahead and click on select, and you can copy and paste that into your Word document. And as always, make sure you go back and just double check things for accuracy. When you're finished with citation, just click on the X at the top and it will close it out for you. The other thing that you can do is you can have the computer read it to you. So there's a listen button here. And then you can also download it, and you can download that into a PDF format. And so this is how you would search the Economist link. Now let's go back to our guide here. The guide also contains a section here on just APA citation. So if you click on that, under APA here, you can click on APA Guide, and this takes you to the Writing Success Center's citation guides. What you can do is scroll down to the bottom, find APA, go ahead and click on Download, and this will give you a APA formatted sample paper. And if you scroll down to almost the very bottom here, which we will do, okay, you will find APA reference examples. So it will tell you how to cite things like books, journal articles, or magazine articles. Most of the time for this assignment, you will be using the magazine article citation example or the newspaper article one. And this is a good place to go to double check the citation that you can automatically do within the databases. Now back to our guide here. The other thing is we do have a survey, so you can always fill that out and let us know what you think about the guide. And if you have any questions at all about the guide or about searching within the databases, you can always contact us at the library.